A woman claims have been pushed to the floor by a ghost, after cameras caught her being thrown to the floor, despite there being no one around. Cecilia Carrasco, 34, says she felt someone shove her, as she walked past the reception desk at her lawyer's office in Santiago, Chile. The CCTV footage, which was shown on a local TV report, quickly went viral in her homeland. She said, "I hit the ground hard and had to be taken to hospital in an ambulance. I was inside for 3 days and I'm still off work as a result of my injuries. I wasn't aware of anybody in front of me as I passed the reception desk talking to a girl, and as I looked towards the receptionist I suddenly felt 2 pairs of hands shove me over. I hit the floor, but when I looked up I couldn't see anybody, and I thought they probably had run off." Miss Carrasco said she had never believed in ghosts and is now frightened of leaving the house. She added, "When the receptionist told me that there was nobody there, I didn't believe them until they showed